You walk into the store, and suddenly, your entire shopping list vanishes from your mind. Sound familiar? That crumpled piece of paper you thought was in your pocket? Gone. Sure, you remembered the milk, but forgot the rice, vegetables, and everything else you actually needed. Even worse, you go home with 5 things you didn't plan to buy, and none of what you truly needed. But what if your grocery list could write itself? What if you could just say, "Help me make dinner for 4," and instantly get a smart, accurate shopping list? Or imagine saying, "I'm going on a school trip tomorrow," and receiving a list of essentials tailored to that situation. No overthinking, no forgetting. Even better, you don't have to manually list out every ingredient for a recipe. Just mention the dish. "I want to make curd rice," and the assistant automatically suggests the ingredients you'll need. Have a photo of a handwritten list? Upload it, and it turns into a digital checklist in seconds. From there, you simply pick what you want and add it to your cart. Now, let's quickly move on to the demo. The application is hosted on AWS Amplify, which helps me deploy and manage the front end with just a few simple steps. Once we open the app, in the top right corner you'll see a button labeled Whirlwind. Let's go ahead and click it. As soon as I press it, a pop-up window appears with 2 options. The first option is where you simply type in a dish name or scenario. For example, if I type, "I want to make South Indian-style chicken biryani," it will instantly generate a list of items needed for that dish using AI via AWS Bedrock and Llama 3. These back-end processes are handled through API Gateway and AWS Lambda, which work together to receive the input, process it with the AI model, and return the response. You can see it suggests the appropriate items. Pretty neat, right? Once I click the Get Items button, it will list out all the ingredients needed for the input I gave. The second option is the Upload button. Here you can upload a handwritten or printed grocery list, even a photo of a paper note. Let me show you with an example. I'm uploading a list that has curd, rice 1 kilogram, oil, water 1 liter. Behind the scenes, it uses AWS Textract to extract the text from the image, again triggered via Lambda functions through API Gateway. As you can see, the app has correctly pulled out the items, along with the quantities mentioned. You can also edit the items after they're fetched, meaning you can remove an item, add new ingredients, and even edit the items if needed. Next, press the Show Products button, and it will display a list of related products fetched from Amazon based on the items. There's a Show More button to see all the products and a Show Less button if you want to collapse the list. Below each product, you'll see a checkbox. We can select the items we need, then press the Add to Cart button. Once I do that, a pop-up message appears confirming that the product has been added. If I close the pop-up, it automatically navigates to the cart page where I can see all the selected products listed.